There are so many environmental cooperations, environmental bureau activities in the world, and they are trying to lessen the polluted emission and want to make the Earth more cleaner. Heat Plus carbon heating film is a clean emission-free electric heating system and will provide clean environment to our planet. Segi Century Company Limited is the manufacturer of far-infrared healthy heating film, the brand name of Heat Plus. Based on years of know-how, reliability, and experience, eco-friendly enterprise Segi Century has been a trusted company that manufactures and markets the best carbon heating film, the Heat Plus. Heat Plus is now exporting to the world with its excellent quality and performances. Especially, we are the only and the first company who export to Japan that well known for its stringent quality standard. Heat Plus has acquired CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14000, JET, GOST, PL, and other certifications that stand for world standards for management, safety, health, environment, consumer protection, mandatory product sales permit, etc. We introduce you to many advantages of the underfloor carbon heating film, Heat Plus. Moderate price. Installing with low price, partial space heating is possible, and no maintenance cost is required. Convenience. Temperature can easily and separately controlled by using the temperature control system. Control of many rooms is also possible with using multiple circuit control and centralized device. Good for health. Large volume of anion perfuming helps relieve the sick building syndrome and electromagnetic waves. Easy installation. No need of dismantling the floors. Simple layout and structuring. At first, the cement floor area is default and bottom of installation. Connect by insulation materials by OPP tapes. And install with Heat Plus approximately 90% space on the floor. After simultaneous electric wire connection and communication work, please install buttress for linoleums and decorated tiles. Of course, the protections are not required when installing a reinforced floor. Heat Plus is safe, as the power circuit breaker will be activated in case of large instantaneous current, therefore it is absolutely safe. Quiet and clean. There is no burning noise, operation noise, vibration, or household dust. Semi-permanent. Heat Plus is made of PE, PET carbon. It is safe and semi-permanent. Segi Century is now producing various kinds of heating films that satisfy the power standard around the world. Let's explore the advantages of Heat Plus, eco-friendly heating method. Far infrared radiation is good to body and offers pain relief, sound sleep, activation of cells, deodorant, antibacterial, and dehumidification effect. Its positive effect in the blood circulation provides a natural relaxation and healthy life. How can we utilize the healthy heating film Heat Plus? Install anywhere electric available site, such as hotel, condominium, apartment, building, office, restaurant, pension, bungalow, hospital, dormitory, church, cathedral, and mosque.
세기 센츄리 히트 플러스는 친환경 웰빙 시스템 원적외선 난방 필름 분야를 선도하고 있습니다. 저희는 제조기술 노하우와 시공 경험을 바탕으로 소비자에게 신뢰받는 기업이 되고자 하며 따뜻한 세상을 만들어가는 고객 제일주의 기업으로 성장할 것임을 약속드리겠습니다.
Enjoy the convenient life with Heat Plus that utilizes economic, convenient, and safe electric energy. Enjoy eco-friendly heating system, Heat Plus, and Segi Century.